JCI Manila's service to humanity.
Yung target natin, una mag-create ng awareness, senior citizens, so marami tayong mga diverse group. And gusto natin turuan sila, para alam nila paano ito gampanan sa kanilang mga kumpanya. Para magkaroon ng concrete action, yung talagang mga plano para matulungan ng mga large and small companies kung paano isama itong mga diverse groups tulad ng PWD, LGBTQ, single parent, indigenous people.
We have here MSMEs, we have business owners.
Friends from JCI Manila to PWDE.
So there's Senate to avail to support.
Not just for workers, but for
Hey guys, Summit, sabi nga ni one of our speakers, diba?